I'm at the Manufacturing Solutions Conference at the TUS campus in Limerick in Ireland, and I'm staggered at the incredible amount of real innovation and precision engineering here. Who knew? Just to show you the range of precision engineering here, this is a 3D printed thing, just to illustrate. It comes out the 3D printer like this, and it's one process. And then we've got here a titanium hip replacement for a dog. This is really cutting edge stuff. And these are in titanium. And then look at the detail there. So this is medical parts for medical machines. So this is a little comb that takes the excess material off the top of a contact lens after it's been made. And I mean, it's absolutely wonderfully made and precision engineered here in Ireland. A spring that goes into a pair of electric secateurs that gives you enough power to cut a half-inch piece of wood. And again, beautifully fashioned, beautifully made, and engineering precision at its very best. Polishing and grinding equipment here that makes things like this hip joint out of titanium. It doesn't get more precise than that. And then turbine blades, and just flawless, absolutely beautiful. And then all cut and polished with these wheels. And what's great is that there's some real kit here, some real machinery. This is a barrel milling tool, and you can see here it working. And just the effort to transport this machinery here and to demonstrate it, manufacturing is alive and well here. It really, really is exciting. a lighter note, this is machined out of a solid billet of aluminium, and it's your pen stand and your very useful bottle opener on the bottom. But I mean, just lovely, and to be able to touch it and feel it, and this wonderful sensation about manufacturing being so important to everything we do, and to see it done so beautifully with style and panache is, for a geek like me, really lovely. So precision components need precision welding. Here's the challenge. How do you weld these tiny little pieces together? You do it with a precision welder, of course. And here is the finished item. Fine work, if I may say so.
Thank you very much.
Who said engineering isn't sexy? Irish startup, laser welding, and just the incredible detail. Tiny little components, watch hands, so you don't have to go to China for this sort of stuff. You can get it here in the industrial heartlands of Ireland. So I'm with Dr. Alan Arthur of the GTMA, who is the kind of driving force behind this. You've had a really good show, haven't you?
We have. We're looking quite tired with mine, actually. It has, I think we could say, exceeded our expectation. Year on year we've built. Year on year we try to innovate, but we never quite know to see who turns up on the day.
But you've had nearly 600 people through here. You've got 150 exhibitors, some amazing bits of kit in there. I'm really impressed.
It's amazing, isn't it? And the addition of that workshop this year, it's fantastic. Seeing the machines working, people can actually get demonstrations on site.
And tell us about the next one that you're going to be doing.
Success of this means that we've already got it in the pipeline. We will run it in June 2026. It will be a one-day event next year. And we will be adding to what we already do. Currently, the discussion is we will include automation and AI. They're the enabling technologies that wrap around everything else that's represented.
So if people, exhibitors, visitors want to find out about the next year's, where do they get information?
The first port of call is our website, gtma.co.uk, but we will be pushing out publicity in a month or two's time.
Ireland's precision manufacturing industry. Here it is.